Hello. The subscribers to my channel value your interest. I hope you enjoy your time spent here. I wanted to have some fun, so I asked ChatGPT to write a script that a skilled PC technician could have read to a Mac customer to convince them that Windows is the better operating system. I prompted ChatGPT this: write a YouTube script in the voice of an experienced PC tech explaining to a layman why Windows is superior to Mac. I routed the ChatGPT output via Quillbot AI so that its artificial origins would not be revealed, a link to which will be included in the explanation. The software modifies the syntax of the sentences. Platforms like Google may start penalizing writers whose work seems to have been produced by AI if they decide to implement this policy. The observations are presented in the next section. I'm John and I'm an experienced IT professional. I'm going to explain in this essay why I believe Windows to be the superior operating system for personal computers. It is not a problem if some of you use Macs, since I am aware that some of you do. To begin, I'll provide you with my objective viewpoint as well as some explanations for why Windows is the superior option. Windows is where you want to be if you're looking for customizing options, whereas Mac does not provide such options. Personalization may be accomplished in a broad number of ways using Windows' many different choices. It's possible that the answer lies in the configuration of your desktop icons or the creation of direct connections to the applications you use the most often. On the other hand, due to the restricted nature of the Mac operating system, it does not provide a great deal of customization. Users that place a high value on having total agency over their gadgets might suffer as a result of this. Windows is available at a price that is more reasonable than its rivals. There are consumers who might benefit more from purchasing a Windows PC as opposed to an Apple Mac. This is particularly crucial to keep in mind whenever brand new computers are purchased or when old ones are upgraded. Windows users have access to more useful software options than those using any other operating system. Because Windows has a more extensive software library, users have access to a greater choice of helpful tools for both personal and professional usage. These products may be downloaded for free. Games can be played on PCs with greater resolutions and graphical settings than they can on Macs. Mac games are unable to match with those available for personal computers, PC, in terms of the speed or graphic quality of the games. Gaming on a personal computer gives you more control over the visual settings and the needs of the game than gaming on a Mac does. A variety of gaming accessories, including keyboards, mice, and headphones, are available to players. PC gamers have access to a big online community that offers them not just courses and modifications but also assistance with any problems they may have. Windows provides improved support for hardware that was manufactured by firms other than Microsoft. Windows personal computers make it simpler to connect to other electronic devices, such as mobile phones, tablets, and video gaming consoles. But you may counter it by saying, Macs are famous for their beautiful designs and user-friendly interfaces. Because of how straightforward and uncomplicated its interface is, Macs are a delight to operate. Your personal preferences and the demands of the job should guide your decision on whether you should use Windows or a Mac for work. In any event, selecting Windows as the operating system for a brand new personal computer is a wise decision. Because of its low price, user-friendliness, and extensive library of compatible applications, Microsoft Windows is an ideal option for a computer operating system that is both flexible and powerful. Thank you for checking in. I really appreciate it and I hope that you learned some useful things here. In the event that you have any inquiries or would want for me to address further concerns, do let me know in the comments section below. If you would like to see more videos about technology similar to this one, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel.